Welcome back to Soulsync. It's Dovey here, and today we're getting real about one of the hardest things in a relationship, rebuilding trust after cheating. If you've been cheated on, you probably feel angry, hurt, and confused. And if you're the one who messed up, you might be wondering if there's any way to fix things. Trust isn't rebuilt overnight, but if both people are willing to put in the effort, it is possible. So let's break it down step by step. 1. Take full responsibility. No excuses, no blame. First things first, if you cheated, own up to it. No, it just happened. No, I was drunk. And definitely no blaming your partner for why it happened. That will only make things worse. The person who got hurt needs to know that you understand the pain you caused and that you're actually sorry, not just sorry you got caught. And if you're the one who got cheated on, you deserve a real apology, not some half-baked excuse. If they're not taking responsibility, trust me, they're not ready to change. 2. Let the hurt person process their pain. Cheating destroys trust. The person who got betrayed is going to feel a mix of emotions: anger, sadness, confusion, maybe even guilt. And that's normal. They need space to feel what they feel. If you're the one who cheated, you cannot rush forgiveness. Don't say things like, "Why can't you just move on?" Or "I said I was sorry, what more do you want?" No, healing takes time. Let them express their emotions without getting defensive. They have every right to be upset. 3. Cut off the third person completely. This should go without saying, but if you cheated, that person is done, blocked, gone. No, we're just friends. If you even hesitate on this, you're not serious about fixing things. And if you're the one who got cheated on, watch their actions. Are they still liking that person's posts, making excuses to stay in touch? That's a red flag. If they're not willing to completely let go of the other person, they're not fully committed to you. 4. Show change through actions, not just words. An apology means nothing if the behavior stays the same. If you cheated, you need to prove you're different now. That means being where you say you'll be, making your partner feel secure, not anxious. Staying consistent over time. If you say, "I'll never do it again," but still flirt, entertain attention from others, or act sketchy, then you're just repeating the cycle. And trust, it will never come back. 5. Have real conversations about what went wrong. Now, let's be real. Most people don't cheat just for fun. There's usually a deeper issue: lack of emotional connection, feeling unappreciated, or even personal struggles. That doesn't excuse it, but it needs to be addressed. If you're serious about fixing things, you both need to talk about what was missing in the relationship. Was there a lack of affection? Were there unresolved issues? Both people need to be honest about how to make the relationship stronger moving forward. Therapy or counseling can actually help a lot here. 6. Accept that things will never be the same, but they can be better. This is the hardest truth. The old relationship is gone. Things will never go back to how they used to be before the cheating happened, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. If both people are truly committed, the relationship can actually become stronger, more honest, and more intentional. But, and this is important, some relationships don't survive cheating. If trust can't be rebuilt, if the same toxic patterns continue, or if one person just can't move past the betrayal, then sometimes the best thing to do is let go. Rebuilding trust after cheating is a long, painful process, and not every couple makes it through. But if both people are willing to put in the work, be patient, and grow from it, there is a chance to heal. The question is the relationship worth it? What do you think? Would you ever forgive cheating? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Soulsync. Love you all.